It is given A plus B equal to 45 degree. And we have to show here 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. We have to show that this, and hence we have to find tan 22 and half. So this is 45. So first of all, A plus B is given 45 degree, and we have to show this one. Now, obviously, since tan is involved, we will try to take tan. So what we get? Tan A plus B equal to tan 45. So from this, what we can write? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equal to 1. Now from this, what we can say? Tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Now we take tan A tan B from RHS to LHS. Change of side with change of sign. So here what we can write? It's tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B equal to 1. Now we need this expression. So if we get open the bracket, it is 1 into 1, 1, which is missing here. 1 into tan B, tan A into 1, tan A tan B is present. So just we need to add 1, 1 for the required expression. Now here what we get? 1 plus tan, and next one we can take tan B common. So what we get here? It's 1 plus tan A plus tan B common. 1 plus tan equal to 2. So this is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. So that is the first part of it. Now next part it is say find the value of tan 22 and half degree, and hence find the principal plus this only. Now from this, how can I go to tan 22 and half? A plus B is 45. Now if A equal to B, then A will be 22 and half. That means in this is true for any value, not only for A or B. Here, if A is 1, B is 44, or so it is correct. But what we are saying that is true for any value, because it is a equation which I've got, and A plus B is 45 already given. Now, what we need? Tan 21 half degree. So for that, we need to consider, that is write it down, let A equal to B equal to 22 and half. Why 22 and half? A plus B equal to 45. Now this is not from left part. Left part is A equal to B. I have taken. You take only this part. Let A equal to B. Now when you have A equal to B, then A plus B equal to 45 given. Now from this we can say 2A equal to 45 degree. So from this A equal to 22 and half degree. Now in the above expression, we just replace this. That is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan A, that is 1 plus tan A whole square equal to 2. From this 1 plus tan A equal to root 2. Now here there is chance of putting plus minus root 2. We are taking only positive root 2. Why? I mean it's a plus root 2. Why? Because A is an acute angle. A is an acute angle. Plus 1, it cannot be negative. There is no question of getting negative value, because tan A should be positive, because it's in the first quadrant. A is lying in the first quadrant. So 1 plus tan A should be positive. So from this, what we get, that tan A equal to root 2 minus 1. A plus B plus C equal to pi. Cos A equal to cos B cos C. This given. This given. Now, what we need to show, first part, which you have to show, tan A equal to tan B plus tan C. First part we have to show this one, the tan A equal to what? Tan A equal to tan B tan C. This is what I have to show. Now, what we'll do, we'll start from here the RHS part, that is tan B plus tan C. So we can start it like this way, RHS. Tan B plus tan C. Now this will be what? Sin B by cos B plus sin C by cos C. Now if we simplify this, cos B cos C. So sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Now this will be what? Sin B plus C by cos B cos C. Now sin B plus C, A plus B plus C is pi. That is what? Sine of cos B cos C. That is 2 into pi by 2 we can think. So it is sine 2 into pi by 2 minus A. It will be sine A only. This is second quadrant, pi minus A. By what we get? Cos B cos C. So here what we have got, this is sine A. So from that what we have got, it is as, here what I have, cos B cos C we have got. Now it is given in the question that cos A equal to cos B cos C. So you can utilize this one. And what we get? Sin A by cos. And that gives us what? Tan. Twice cot B cot C equal to 1. So this is what we have to show. So start from the LHS, that is 2 cot B cot C. Now what we can write this one as 2 cos B by sin. Now it is better if you start in this way instead of taking this one, the LHS part only, or you can start from LHS, no issues with that also. That is cos B cos C. After that it is cos C sin C. Now we have to prove that is equal to 1. So you can do one thing, you can take a minus 1 and plus 1. That means if we can show this part is 0, then we are done. If we can show that this part is 0, then it is done. So what we do? It is 2 times cos B cos C minus sin B sin C whole divided by sin B sin C plus 1. Now from this what we can write? Cos B cos C plus cos B cos C minus sin B sin C by sin B sin C plus 1. Okay, just we had here 2 cos B cos C. So I have written up as cos B cos C plus cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. Now, this part is what? Cos B plus C formula. This part is what? Cos B plus C formula. So we can write here cos B cos C plus cos pi minus A whole divided by sin B sin C plus 1. Now children, according to the given question, this is cos A plus minus cos A by sin B sin C plus 1. Now this is 0, so answer is 1. It is given there is an angle theta. It is divided into two parts. So I take the parts as alpha and beta. So theta equal to alpha plus beta. And then they have given that tan alpha is to tan beta equal to x is to y. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove here sine alpha minus beta equal to x minus y by x plus 1 into sine theta. Now, this is we need to prove. Now, here in the expression only, they have given x minus y by x plus y. That means we have to use component division. This automatically says that we have to use component division. Now, how can we proceed here? That is tan alpha by tan alpha beta. It is given x by y. So we can start it like this, that we have from the given expression tan alpha by tan alpha equal to x by y. Now, what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is sine alpha by cos alpha into sine beta by cos beta equal to x by y. Now, using componendo and dividend, what we get? We get sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta equal to x plus y by x minus 1. And this gives us sine A plus B by sine A minus B x plus 1 by x minus 1. Now alpha plus beta is what? Theta. So we write here sine theta by sine alpha minus beta equal to x plus y by x minus 1. Now, according to the given information, we have to take this one on one side based on the other side. So we write it here by cross multiplication. Sine alpha minus beta equal to x minus y by x plus y into sine theta. And that is what is required. Tan theta is given as q sine alpha by p plus q cos alpha. We have to find here that tan alpha minus theta equal to p sine alpha whole divided by q plus p cos alpha. So this is what you have to find from this one. That is, this is the known part and this is unknown part. Here our main focus is on alpha minus theta. Now, if we find here tan alpha minus theta, if we use the formula, what is the formula? It's tan alpha minus tan theta by 1 plus tan alpha tan theta. Just we're using the formula tan of alpha minus theta is tan alpha minus tan theta by 1 plus tan alpha tan theta. Now, in this case, you can see the tan theta is given in this format. So what we'll do, we'll try to use that. We'll try to eliminate theta and bring alpha. So to do that, there are two ways we can proceed. First of all, we can here put the value, or we can at the beginning only we can express this in terms of sin alpha by cos alpha, because since this is in terms of sin alpha cos alpha, we need this also in terms of the same form, otherwise we cannot perform the operation. So what we do here, tan alpha, what is tan alpha? We can write here sin alpha by cos alpha minus tan theta, that is q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha by 1 plus tan alpha means it is sin alpha by cos alpha into tan theta. What is tan theta? Just we put the value q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha. What I have done, I tell you once again. Just we have taken the formula of tan of alpha minus theta, and why we are splitting it up, because since this is in terms of sin alpha cos alpha, here also we'll try to bring tan in terms of sin and cos only, so that we can operate very easily. Now, after that, we have to simplify. We will use this simplification, this one. In the numerator also, we take the LCM. So in the numerator, it is cos alpha p plus q cos alpha. Now p sin alpha q sin alpha cos alpha minus q sin alpha cos alpha. Now in the denominator, same LCM, it is cos alpha into p plus q cos alpha. Now here, if we multiply this, what we get here p cos alpha plus q cos square alpha plus q sin square alpha. So in this case, this and this will get cancelled. Now what we are left with? You see this and this cancels out. This one is the same thing, cancels out. So what we are left with? We are left with in the numerator p sin alpha. Denominator, it is if p cos alpha, for sure that you can write it down first. It is p cos alpha plus q. Why plus q? If we take q common here, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1. Q cos square alpha plus q sin square alpha. So if you take q common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1. And you got this. Here what we have, it is sin alpha sine of alpha plus beta equal to n sine alpha minus beta. N is not equal to -1. And what you have to show that here or prove here, you have to prove that cot alpha equal n minus 1 by n plus 1 equal to into cot beta. That's what you have to find. So how to start? Because here how to understand this is a sum based on component dividend. This one, the format is been given here. N plus 1, n minus 1 by n plus 1. So since it is given, we'll be following that. So here what we have from the given expression sine alpha plus beta equal to n sine alpha minus beta. We can write this one as sine alpha plus beta by sine alpha minus beta equal to n by 1. Now here we'll apply component differential using componendo and dividend. What do we write? We get here sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta whole divided by sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta, and that is n plus 1 by n minus 1. Just put the value and you get the result. To sine alpha cos beta by sine beta. This is equal to what? N plus 1 by n minus 1. Now this gives us what? Tan alpha, because sine alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, divided by sine beta by cos beta will give us what? Tan beta equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. This if we wanted to bring in terms of tan, but we need in terms of cot, so no problem. You take the tan on this side, or you can do one thing. You can, after this step only, you can write cot beta by cot alpha. Why cot beta? Cos by sine. Cos by sine is cot. Cos by sine is cot. Equal to what? N plus 1 by n minus 1. And then you can cross multiply. Now it is cot beta by cot alpha equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. Now we need this one, cot alpha on one side, rest on the other side. So we take cot alpha on this side, based on the other side. Into cot beta. Okay. It is given cot alpha cot beta equal to 3. And we have to show cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta by cos alpha plus beta equal to 2. So this is what we need to show. Cot alpha into cot beta is 3 given, and we have to show this one. Cos alpha minus beta by cos alpha plus beta is 2. Very simple. What we'll do? Cot alpha means what? Cos alpha by sin alpha. Cos beta means what? Cos beta by sin beta equal to 3 by 1. Now, right, using component and dividend, what we can get? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta whole divided by cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is what? Cos A minus B divided by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B cos A plus B, and it is 2. Now children, here you see, first of all, how to come to our mind that we have to use this one, component dividend. You can see, if you simplify this one, you are getting cos alpha cos beta by sin alpha sin beta. So the two parts of this formula. So if we apply component dividend, we can do it very easily. A, then this one, and this one. We know the formula, done. Two. We have to find the value of sine alpha plus beta. You have to find the value of sine alpha plus beta by sine alpha minus beta. Given tan alpha equal to twice tan, which can be written as tan alpha by tan beta equal to 2, from which we can simplify to sine and cos because we have to ultimately convert to sine and cos. So we write sine alpha cos beta by cos alpha sine beta equal to 2. Now, since we have to get this expression, now sine alpha cos beta is what? Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. And sine alpha minus beta is what? Sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. So we apply componendo and dividendo using componendo and dividend. We get sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. This gives us sine alpha plus beta by sine alpha minus beta equal to 3. Given theta less than 90 degrees, get a consideration. And with this another given expression, cos theta plus sine theta equal to root. We have to find the value of cos 3 theta. So this is which you need to find. Now, the given expression cos theta plus sine theta equal to root 2 is in accordance with this form: A cos theta plus B sine theta equal to C. For this type of cases, we consider that there is a triangle with one side as AK and the side BK, such that the hypotenuse will be root over of A square plus B square into K. K not equal to 0. And we divide by root over of A square plus B square throughout. Why? So that A by root over A square plus B square, that can be represented as cos alpha. B by root over A square plus B square, that can be represented as sin alpha. So, but in our case, A and B both are equal to 1. So by what we'll divide? Root over of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So we divide by root 2 and multiply by a root 2. 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta equal to 2. This gives us cos theta cos pi by 4 sin theta sin pi by 4 equal to 1. Cos theta minus pi by 4 equal to cos 0. This gives us theta minus pi by 4 equal to 0. Now, since theta, if we take in the radian measure, less than pi by 2 greater than 0. So this gives us theta equal to pi by 4. Corresponding decrement is given. So anyone can be taken. Now we take cos 3 pi by 2. That is cos pi minus pi by 2. So we can take it as 2 into 2. So cos remains as cos only. Second quadrant negative, so minus 1 by root 2. We had to find cos 3 theta value. 3 theta means 3 into pi by 4, and that value which we have got is 1 by root 2. So this is the value of cos 3 theta. Theta is pi by 4, so corresponding value of cos 3 theta is this one, minus 1 by root 2.